As you are seeing here, we are going to start thematic approach. So, as you are seeing the topic name thematic means we take one theme and then we make a plan of the lesson and teach the students on theme base. So, what is the meaning of thematic approach? So, meaning of thematic approach, we can say the thematic approach is a way of teaching and learning where many areas of curriculum are connected together and integrated within a theme. We just take one theme and then we start the teaching in many subjects in the same theme. So, thematic approach involves integrating all subjects, not only in particular we can say that we teach in English, but in all subjects area together under one theme. Like I will explain you, and it is most important, and the students of preschool especially learn through thematic approach, because teacher create many activities on the based on one theme. So it can be teach in math, science, English, social study, arts. So there is no subject matter around unifying themes. As you are seeing here, that we can take the theme of fruits, and then that about fruits we can teach in EVS. We can teach the nutrition of foods, type of fruits, seedless fruits, and in English also we can teach them name of the fruits, and in maths also we can teach them. We can make many fruits, and we can make fruit, and just they will count it. So in maths we can teach Hindi name of the fruits, which fruits they do like. In art we can say them make your favorite fruit and color it. So in this thematic approach we can take one theme and teach to students very easily. I have given now I will give some example. As you are seeing here, जैसे we have taken the theme light, suppose. सो लाइट थीम पर हम बहुत सारी वोकाबुलरी बच्चों को इम्प्रूव करा सकते हैं. जैसे हम यहाँ देख रहे हैं फायर की लाइट, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी भी लाइट करती है, डे लाइट, मून लाइट, सन लाइट, है ना. सो इन दिस वे so many modes I have written here about bulb light, about star light, about volcano light, about torch light, about lamp light. So with the help of this theme he can improve many words in their students can improve many words in their vocabulary. Like I have given here tube, street light, halogen light, traffic light, flashlight, tail light, tube light. So with the help of one theme they can improve many words. In the same way I have given here like word sad. अब there are so many words are related with the sad. So students will just think about this word sad and write. So I have given some words here like sad, serious, gloomy, sorrow, unhappy, anger, shy, and so many words I have given here. So the student can improve their vocabulary with the help of this theme sad. In the same way I have given one more example, family. So with the help of family, as you are seeing in the center I have written family, and out of the center circle I have written the close family related blood related candidates like child, father, aunt, sister, uncle, mother, है ना. And outer of the circle I have given some words also, family head, family tree. They can make joint family, nuclear family, है ना. So about the with the help of this word family, theme is the family. Now they will write many words. In the same way, I have given another word here, joy. So with the help of joy, just think and write the words like attractive, laugh. कब कब आप joyous feel करते हो, वो आपको words बताने हैं. Smile, enjoy, beautiful, love, sports, pleasant, joyous, affectionate, entertainment, celebration, win, delight, play, pleasure. So I have given these examples so that you can make lesson plan with the help of these words on theme base. Like one more important word I have given here, theme, that is school. So in school you just think, हम स्टूडेंट से पहले तो हम प्लानिंग करते हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग थीम बेस्ड. फिर बच्चों से हम पूछते हैं कि स्कूल में हेड मास्टर होता है ना, लेक्चरर होता है, कंप्यूटर होता है, TLM टीचर लर्निंग मटेरियल होता है, पॉइंटर होता है, एंड स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं, बेल, चॉक, बेंच, लाइब्रेरी, बुक, यूनिफॉर्म, है ना, फीस. सो ब्लैक बोर्ड, टीचर, देयर आर सो मैनी items or things are related with the school, just they will tell. So in this way I have just tried to explain you about thematic approach, and now it is very well important and appreciable approach, and as a pupil teacher you should try to teach students on theme base. Thank you. Thanks.